Hi guys, it's Jack from Vanshades. I'm going to install WindowPod G, which is the short wheelbase offside rear quarter for the Ford Transit Custom. This is our Spectrum signature range, which is available in 212 classic rail colours. It's worth noting as well that for this install video, it's the exact same procedure if you're doing the other side of the vehicle. I'm going to offer the WindowPod up to the window recess, and then using the fixings provided, get the screws in the appropriate locations. There you go guys, a blackout and thermally insulated WindowPod's blind system installed in minutes. We've just finished a series of installation videos for WindowPods on the Ford Transit Custom. This product's available on our website, vanshades.co.uk. That includes the Spectrum signature range, which is available in 212 painted colours. Before you go, I'm just going to show you the effectiveness of the blackout blind. We've got some filming lights behind this window. I'm going to shut the blind now. How's that for proof of concept?